Guided meditation is a way of going beyond just the conscious mind. Guided meditation is a way of opening that gateway between the inner and the outer world. We work together as friends, as family, as community, as life partners on a journey deep inside the inner recess. We walk together from a place of expanded awareness, integration, and peace. So take your time. Begin by relaxing your shoulders, opening your hands, and allowing yourself to relax into the present moment, into the here and now, into this beautiful place of peace, a place where we can find gateways that align with our highest intention for health, for prosperity, for love and companionship. So begin by relaxing into the presence of this moment, into the perfection of this now. Breathing in as deep as you can and relaxing that exhale, that sigh of relief. Each time you exhale, just let go of a little bit more. Let go of a little bit more struggle. Relaxing deeper and deeper into the beautiful presence of this eternal now. Our meditation focuses on the wisdom keeper. The wisdom keeper is a beautiful manifestation of light and life that emanates from the core of the pure spirit. So relax deep into the space, allowing yourself to continue to awaken into the here and now, into the radiance of the moment, into this beautiful sanctuary, this beautiful palace of peace, cathedral of truth, this beautiful, magnificent hallway of forever. Allow yourself to go deeper and deeper inside into relationship with the inner resource, the inner constitution, the part of us that guides us, supports us, and allows us to go beyond just the conscious mind. The teacher is the aspect of who we are that's always prompting us in the right direction. So breathe in and breathe out. Allow the breath to take you deeper and deeper into your truth. The light inside of you becomes brighter as you relax and go inside the heart. So I'd like everyone to begin to focus your attention on your heart, continuing to go deeper and deeper into the heart until you see a transition point. You may see darkness at this point. Now is our opportunity to go beyond just the darkness. The darkness created by the physical mind. As we move towards that opening, we have an opportunity to experience the eternal mind, the mind of the pure spirit, the mind that guides us and supports us perfectly and evenly in each moment. So allow yourself to go into this beautiful place. Just relax. Just contemplate and receive the blessings. Receive all these beautiful manifestations of light. As the lights become brighter, so many different shapes and sizes and dimensions. Everything is sparkling. Burst of energy, burst of light. Waves of infinite possibilities. Just relax into this beautiful expanse. Beauty, says the teacher, is a manifestation of the unencumbered, the free mind, a passageway to the door of unlimited potential. So take your time as you go through the darkness. The door is a huge door with a golden handle. Reach out and open the door with this beautiful handle. Just keep opening your heart and your mind as the light continues to become more illuminated. The beautiful gems, the beautiful crystals of light and life are all around. So continuing to walk down this pathway filled with beautiful gems. Keep going, says the teacher. Keep going until you're able to see yourself. Take another opportunity to move in the direction away from all the fear, all the resistance, so we may be safe on our journey. There are many distractions along the way. So now is the opportunity to design your course, to see your way through all the confusion. Just let go and allow the radiance of the Spirit to begin to move through you. a source of light and life, moving through every passageway, moving through every meridian. Just relax deeply and allow these beautiful angels of sleep and relaxation, of integration and liberation from suffering begin to come to you. Let these beautiful beings begin to guide you into a new life, into a new way of thinking, a new way of being. Let yourself be free in this moment. Very, very easy, said the teacher. Breathing in and allowing the flow of life to move through you, starting at the base of your spine, letting it rise all the way up to the top of your head. Allow your breath to begin to shape the depth and nature of your travel to the inner resource. The breath will shape your opening to this beautiful manifestation that sits at the foundation of all this beautiful light. This light that exists in the garden of possibilities. Continuing to move forward, continuing to elevate your consciousness as you release and let go of control, as you allow yourself to find the freedom that you've been looking for. This freedom only exists within. Going deeper and more expansive into your truth, into the here and now. Reaching out with your hands open to the sky, from this collective space of unity, integration, and peace. Just relax. Another breath in, liberating the mind and the spirit from the darkness, any ties to this dark place. The teacher reminds us that now is a good time to let go of any darkness. Let go of anything that you think you know or should know, says the teacher. Relax. Lots of beautiful, radiant energy moving around you and moving through you. That's it. facing your hands down towards the earth, bringing yourself back into harmony, into balance. This is a place where we can come together from this beautiful garden of possibilities. We can collect ourselves. We can pray for each other, with each other. It's very, very easy. Coming into perfect alignment with yourself. We pray that may all beings be free. May all beings be happy. May all beings find liberation from suffering. And may all beings be free. Just take another breath in, allowing the energy of light and life to move through you and out into the world, forever loved and blessed.